Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Sigma Investing Hub. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Lucid share price. Lucid Group Incorporated has been making waves in the electric vehicle (EV) industry, and its stock performance has caught the attention of many investors. In this video, we'll dive into a technical analysis of Lucid stock, discuss future price targets, and bring you the latest news. So, make sure to stick around. As of the latest market close, Lucid stock is trading at $6 per share. Let's kick things off with a technical analysis of Lucid stock. Looking at the recent price movements, we can see that Lucid has experienced significant volatility over the past few months. Notice those patterns? Lucid formed a bullish flag pattern in August, followed by a breakout. This suggests that buyers are still very interested in this stock. Now, let's talk about moving averages. The 50-day moving average is 50 cents, while the 200-day moving average is $1.45. The stock is currently trading above both of these, indicating a bullish sentiment. Taking a look at the RSI, Relative Strength Index, it's hovering around 55. An RSI above 70 might indicate overbought conditions, so we should keep an eye on this. Using Fibonacci retracement levels, we can set potential support and resistance levels. The next major resistance could be around $8, while support is at $6. Now, let's talk about future price targets for Lucid. Remember, these are just estimates based on technical analysis, and market conditions can change. In the short term, if Lucid maintains its bullish momentum, we could see it reach $45. For the long term, with the EV industry booming and Lucid's growth potential, some analysts suggest a target price of up to $85. In conclusion, Lucid's share price is an exciting topic for investors right now. Our technical analysis suggests a bullish sentiment, and future price targets are optimistic. However, always remember that investing involves risks, and it's essential to do your research. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on Lucid and other exciting investment opportunities. And as always, do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. Thank you for tuning into Alpha Investing Hub. Until next time, happy investing.